Okay, and just a quick one sentence lang po. Nung sinabi na magpa-file ng contempt, no, charges against itong mga pumasok sa Senado ng mga NBI agents, para lang sa ating pong viewers, ano mo ba itong konsepto ng contempt? And Panyero, what is the difference between a direct and indirect contempt? Para lang malinaw sa mga tagapakinig natin.
Well, tayo mga abogado, we are very much familiar with this quote, no? Kung sa presence ng Senado, naganap yung pambabastos or disrespect sa kanila o sa kanilang gawain, pwede rin sa committee ito eh. So, under the preservative principle, yung kailangan kasi protektahan ng Senado yung institution nila. This will constitute direct contempt. Bakit? Kasi sa harap nangyari, in their presence. Now, apparently this happened, although may CCTV, pero this happened away from the plenary hall ng Senado. Doon sa stairs sa exit or ano yun. Basta nakita ko yung sa stairs ito, nakapulan. And then, umabot halos doon sa labas ng door ng plenary. Ito ay indirect contempt because this happened not in the presence of the Senate or of the senators or its committees. So, but the Congress of the Philippines, the House and the Senate, meron silang power. This is recognized as early as the case of Arnold. The Supreme Court has recognized that the Congress, the Senate, and the House has, under the preservative principle, to protect the institution, can impose contempt for direct and indirect contempt. And the penalty, sila po ang base sa rules nila, kung anong penalty ang pwede nilang i-impose. Kasi hindi ang rules of court mag-apply dito yung House rules So, pwedeng 1 month, 3 months, 6 months imprisonment, pwedeng fine, pwedeng censure, pwedeng warning, depende. Because it's a political organ of the government, yung Senado, para sila. But I think, under these circumstances, sobra naman ang nangyaring pambabastos, it was a grave offense to the dignity, integrity, and sanctity of the proceedings or session of the Senate. Dapat the penalty should be proportionate. Dapat mataas ang penalty para hindi na makulit ito. Regardless whether NBI ba yan or police ang nagawa, hindi yun eh. Yung akto ang dapat ang dapat i-punish. At saka meron pang aggravation dito, Attorney Ibet, yung isang security ng Osaka, binugbugin. And they attempted to, they brought him out accordingly. Sinakay doon sa van. Nakita ko yung van na yan. I was there. Although at the time that the incident happened, I was not there. But hours later, I ran to the Senate. Nakita ko nandun sila, ang dami nila eh. So, binugbog lang siya sa loob ng van and then ni-release. That is an aggravation of the offense committed and the contempt against the Senate by the NBI agents. At dapat ito proportionate yung penalty. Dahil grave offense, grave ang contempt, dapat mataas ang penalty. Pwede imprisonment. Diba? Dapat lang.
And you know what,